What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel if you are new. And I'm telling you right now, I am not playing any more games. I'm about to put the pressure on Wall Street, and you guys are really going to help me. How are we going to do this? We're going to do it by social media. If you click the link in my comments section, you already know the details by this thumbnail. It's going to bring you over to my Twitter, and I want you to go onto my Twitter, follow the Twitter, and retweet a specific tweet. We're going to give you the full details inside of this video, but I want to get this out of the way very quickly. SoFi was up 23% after hours on a double beat, earnings and guidance raise full year 2022, now up 3% on a day after Bank of America downgrades. I have no idea why banks are allowed to cover competitors at this point at the SEC. Guys, be sure to retweet this. You can already see we got 117 likes and 12 retweets, multiple comments. Go on there and just retweet the crap out of this so SEC can really just understand that these banks do not deserve to be covering the SoFi stock. Normal investing firms and hedge funds should be covering this stock, not direct competitors. So be sure to go over to my Twitter, follow the Twitter, and retweet that tweet and also drop a comment. What is happening before your eyes is literally a legal financial crime, okay? Yes, a legal crime is happening. You know, if you go on the streets and you rob people, steal their money out of their pockets, you go to jail. But if you have a bank license and go to school and have a big investment firm, behind you, backing you, you get away with it. You can manipulate 1,000, tens of thousands of retail investors into selling out of their position, even though the company did extremely well on their earnings performance and full year guidance raise. Remember what these, IPO darlings have done in their Q4 earnings. Roblox tanked. Snowflake tanked. Affirm tanked. It just does not stop. What did SoFi do? The exact opposite. Almost a 23% gain in the after hours, and then have to lose all of the gains in the next trading day because of the Bank of America, only their stock price target got, pushed out onto CNBC, pushed out onto Webull, Robinhood. Only the lowest price target got pushed out to thousands and thousands of retailers. I bet you guys didn't know about the other 3 to 4 $20 price targets that actually happened today. Did you see that? I'm going to show you those that didn't hit, the mainstream, CNBC, Webull, etc. Okay? You're going to see the massive manipulation, the legal financial crimes that are happening before your eyes. Be sure to go over to my Twitter, retweet that specific tweet with the SEC, I'm tagging, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and be sure to drop a comment. Let's get into it. So you can see here 3 weeks ago that, Bank of America said SoFi is just not another neobank. Company offers services to various other neobanks, talking about Galileo. So as you can see, they were extremely bullish, and they gave a $17 price target heading up into these earnings. After the 23% after hours movement, on a double beat on the earnings and also a guidance raise, Bank of America downgrades SoFi, says good news is already reflected in the price. Not only did they downgrade it, they gave it the lowest price target possible of $14. Why Bank of America downgrades SoFi Technologies despite upbeat Q4? Let's hear what they had to say exactly. SoFi reported strong fourth quarter results at the closing bell on Tuesday. The company had also issued its 2022 guidance ahead of street expectations, driven by benefits from its recently approved bank charter, according to Bank of America. The analyst Mihir Bhattacharya downgraded the rating for SoFi Technologies from buy to neutral while keeping the price target unchanged at $14. This is the only price target that really got pushed out to the media, CNBC and Webull. If you look at Webull and go on to the SoFi, stock, this is the one that is, marketed, multiple times. SoFi Technologies price target announced at $14 a share by Bank of America. Not even a buy no more. This is a downgrade, guys. This is massive, massive manipulation. You can see on an incredible day, all the indexes flying, multiple stocks flying. SoFi lost 19% of its gains, actually 20%, when you include the after hours. So it went from 23% gain to less than a 3% gain. So all of that, market cap was wiped out when the Bank of America headline hit. But I need to show you guys what these other analysts were saying, and you most likely did not hear about these analysts recommending the SoFi stock for you as a retail investor. Citi says buy SoFi after solid Q4, keeps $20 price target. Guys, this is Citi. I mean, this is one of our competitors, a legacy bank. They're struggling as well. This analyst, Ashwin S, says SoFi Technology reported a solid quarter, and he keeps a buy rating on the shares with a $20 price target. Continued robust momentum. The use of its bank charter in Q2 and beyond. Remember, they got their bank charter a little bit late, okay? They didn't get it in 2021. They got it about, the beginning of February. So it's taken a little bit of time for this bank charter to activate, with the loans and the cost savings and assumed into the student loan moratorium and the Technisys acquisition. So he is talking about the student loans coming back, the Technisys acquisition, the bank charter, and the Bank of America analyst is saying the bank charter doesn't start till the back end of the year and downgrades the stock. He should have maintained or jumped it a little bit higher because, they gained so many users. So guys, that's just one analyst. And you can see here on Morningstar, look at this. Michael Miller, SoFi reports strong Q4 earnings as rapid user growth accelerates. These guys maintain their $20 price target and just, talked about the impressive growth. So that's two analysts that maintain these $20 price targets. You can see I just did a video yesterday on this David C. from Wedbush, 5-star analyst. Guys, take a look. Today, maintain $20 price target. That's 3 guys I just got for you. You did not see any of these pop up on Webull, Robinhood, CNBC, anywhere. Seeking Alpha, these are hidden from you as a retail investor. Bank of America is the biggest out of all these because it's a massive legacy bank. Their price target got pushed out to the world on SoFi's day where they absolutely killed it. And, retail, got hammered, okay? Maybe just a little bit of retail sold off when the market opened. But guys, you have a combination of shorting happening. That's why we just didn't see a 5% loss. We saw a 20% deduction. All of the gains wiped out. And also, let me talk about this Ashwin guy for Citigroup. He's a 5-star analyst as well. He maintained today, okay? Morningstar, Citi, Wedbush, 20. Do you guys not see the manipulation? This is legal, criminal, financial, slaughter that's going on right now, okay? This is more serious than you think, okay? If some of you guys may have a little bit of money in the SoFi stock, I have a lot of money invested. This is a financial crime, in my opinion. Once again, go back over to Twitter and retweet that specific tweet. I have no idea why banks are allowed to cover competitors at this point, especially when you're bearish, when SoFi absolutely smoked it at SEC Gov. We need to get this out because this is not right, okay? Bank of America is not going off of the fundamental growth. They are pointing out the tiniest flaws that they can possibly go after. They said nothing about the revenue growth, the EBITDA growth projection, the student loans coming back. Nothing was in account like those other 3 analysts. Take a look at this, guys. Short interest is going higher. I'm telling you right now, this is part of Bank of America and some other, hedge funds shorting at the same time. So when you put out a nasty price target on SoFi's golden day where they blow out the earnings, you're a direct competitor that are, really, really worried about SoFi. Short interest is going up 4% back over to 18%. So the combination of retail selling out of fear and shorting is why you lost 20% in market cap. That's why the gains are not holding up, okay? This is literally a crime, in my opinion, okay? They are not being real analysts. I just gave you 3 analysts, 3 different analysts reiterating $20 price targets. These guys dropped to the lowest price target possible. What does that tell you? Tell me what that tells you, okay? Drop a comment. We are getting fucking screwed, and I'm tired of this shit, okay? You need to go over to my Twitter, retweet the Twitter, follow this channel, because SoFi is doing everything right. They got their student loans taken from them. Their bank charter took a little bit of time to get approved, okay? They're still putting out 600% EBITDA growth projection for this year while growing members absolutely ridiculously, okay? We need to work together, guys. We can make this bigger than you think, okay? We need to get, the social media popping because the SEC needs to do something about these analysts. They need to either be, quizzed, tested or something because these guys are literally brain dead or just absolutely manipulating the crap out of SoFi. So we have a lot of bulls in the SoFi for analysts, okay? You just saw the bulls, okay? Reiterating $20 price targets, much respect, but we got some criminals in here, and we need to take these criminals out. They should not be covering the SoFi stock as a direct competitor if they are not going to go off fundamentals. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it, guys. You are really seeing my emotions. I am not playing games. This stock has been on the market for over 16 months, back-to-back double beats with guidance raises, okay? And they don't have, student loans costing them $30 million per freaking quarter, okay? This is not their fault. They are absolutely killing it. EBITDA would have came in an additional 50 to 100 million if the bank charter came in a little bit earlier. We are getting screwed. Bank of America headline. That's why I'm really disappointed in this video. That headline made the headline over all these other price targets. I'm telling you right now, I bet 90% of people watching this video did not see those three analysts reiterate those price targets. So this is very, very manipulated stock, in my personal opinion. They are absolutely killing it. I think SoFi should be a $20 stock right now, and we just lost 20% in market cap value. Earnings are supposed to be all fundamentals. I know the market sucks, but still, we should have held some gains a little bit better. You need to do your part and help me, get this out on social media to the SEC that, these bank analysts being criminals need to not be covering the SoFi stock or need to have, significant testing or something, because this is absolutely manipulation in my personal opinion. Once again, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Have a great day.